Is it on video?
Mm-hmm.
Aaron. Alright. Aaron's first drink of soda. Mmm.
Talk about backwash.
He always puts his arm up.
He's sipping up. He's sipping it up. Okay, that's enough for now. Mommy says that's enough.
Your tongue is turning pink.
See, all these different tastes.
Says I like going to Table Rock. We come here every weekend, Mommy.
Got to get in the lake.
You should look at
Got
these two bottom
a
teeth.
sucker.
Gotta pet a
You can see them,
crawdad.
but you
Soda.
can't feel them.
Oh no, I think they're coming through. I tell
Your
you.
mom,
Then I get 2 fingers in my mouth.
Your mom is like, nuh-uh.
well, she said she could see them, she just couldn't feel them.
Oh,